Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I just want to thank everybody that have donated to the channel through the features where just at the bottom of each video you can actually give a tip and give a little donation through these videos. And of course that always works, so any video you like and you feel like doing a donation, it's always there. But I've had quite several requests about any other ways for donations to come in, because that is something that doesn't work for some. And this weekend I had actually three other comments and even an email about, where can I donate? Do you have a PayPal and stuff like that? So yes, I do have a PayPal, and so the email to use for that PayPal will be in the description below. If you wish to donate, if you like my content and all of that, yes, of course, like I said, there's always the reactions at the top. You can click the little heart and give a little something. But if you like what I do and you think that my hard work is worth it and help you out in any way, yes, there's a PayPal that you can use. And of course, like I said, it'll be in the description below so that you can actually send through PayPal if that is a way of actually sending something. Maybe eventually I could think about merchandise and stuff, but I don't want to go there for now. It's something that I think is not yet what I want. But I do want to thank every single one of you that have donated in any way. By the way, for those that, because sometimes when you do something like this, some people might feel bad, or I had some comments of, I like your content, but I can't donate. Don't worry about it. It's fine. I totally understand that, and it is quite all right. Okay, don't worry. You don't have to donate. But those that did, I want to thank you. And like I said, there's a PayPal that you can use, and it's in the description below. You'll see the PayPal. It's a Yahoo email address for my PayPal. You can send donations through there. Whatever amount is great, even if it's just $1, it's all right. I often say if everybody give $1, it's a very small amount for most, and it would be fantastic. This is the way that it works, And like I said, don't feel bad if you can't. It's quite all right. But I did want to thank everybody for the donations that I received in the past couple of weeks. It's been great and much appreciated. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.